check on the outside. So what we currently have here is the rubber on the one side and the Snow White. So just to give you guys a bit of a reading here with the major tech, let me just read it right there. I'm going to read it on the back here as it is. It's 49. So let's go to the rubber. There you guys can see how hot that is. 70 degrees. Yo! Snow White 39.4. Amazing. This is our new cooling agent from Rubber Sealant. As you guys can see, it's a Snow White. It's got a nice shine and glare to it. Fantastic product to cool down your house this summer. Roof, your walls, your patio, anything. I see by this here, you can make your whole house white completely.